Good evening, everyone. My name is Enrico Ranzato. I'm the CEO and the founder of H24 Invent. I come from Venice, and our company is an invention factory where we mix creativity, technology, and design to bring to life innovative products from ideas. We see a huge quantity of plastic waste produced by the city of Venice every year. Also, it happens in city with high massive tourism. So we rethink a way to visit Venice in a sustainable way. We rethink a souvenir, we transform a souvenir into a value. At a retail price of 10 euro, our smart bottle lets you get access to museum and public transportation. Also has a QR code to download the app that let the user have the map of all the fountains, not just in Venice, but around the world. It's a great challenge for city council, public transportation, museum, and tourists to reduce plastic waste and build a better city. All the reduced cost. Più vicino? Oh, sorry. All the reduced cost from the plastic waste management can be reallocated to improve the city service and reduce plastic waste. We prepare a short video to show how does it work, our solution for Venice.
A huge amount of plastic waste is managed by the City of Venice every year. Bottlemap City is our all-in-one solution to get access to the city and be part of an eco-friendly community. A sustainable way to visit the city and get discounts as reward for the plastic waste reduction practice. Ideated as a tool for visiting the city at a retail price of 10 euro. It features a handy armband for easy access to museums and public transportation, eliminating the need for a wallet or smartphone for entry. It also includes a QR code for users to download the app with the map of all public fountains in Venice and in the world. A unique solution for everyone. Bottlemap City, let's be less plastic and more city. Invented by H24 Invent, between present and future.
If you have any questions.
Can you explain us a little bit your business model, how your revenue stream will come from?
Yes.
Yes. Hi, I'm Fabrizio Marchesini. I'm the sales director of H24. Basically, we created a sales structure which will grant to the partners. So, let's say public transport company, museum. The partners will have the bottle as a value to sell and to provide to the public of a fee that they will gain, and then of course the sales structure will is constructed to gain revenues to the company. We made two scenario, let's say a best scenario and a worst scenario. But basically, we run when we decided for a worst scenario in 3 years, let's say 50,000 bottles, which is a very minimum stage from first year, and then 100 the second and 500 the third, which is the worst scenario. And the best scenario will go to 3.5 million bottles. Basically, we have to think that we have like 22 million tourists every year in Venice. So we made our calculation also on the people who already have a card, which are 2 millions. They already have a card of public transport.
Venezia Unica.
Venezia Unica, but I mean, they can be also others, yeah? So, of course, now I'm not gonna be too long to go in details, but we have a reasonable idea that this is sustainable. Yeah.
So I might have missed the point, but I don't know. What is this? What are you doing exactly?
We try to take away from the canal and the streets of Venice.
No, I understand.
Yeah.
How? What is this doing?
This is working with the NFC, simply chip. Okay.
It doesn't work with the NFC, so without have always the wallet or the smartphone, you can access to public transportation and museum with that armband. We wanted to reward the tourists for the no waste practice. So you have the bottle, you avoid to take bottle of water, of plastic, and so you get a reward with discounts, and also you have a tool to visit the city without probably you see.
So, but, okay, I can take this and plug it.
Yeah, you can remove it.
I can just have it on my wrist or something, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I think we're in time. Do you want to say something, Jean-Jacques? Quick, because we want to switch over.
So what's the evidence that there is demand for this product and at that price point?
Okay. The evidence is the fact that you can refill a stadium of San Siro of just a bottle of water. This is produced by the city of Venice in 1 year. So we think that the tourist can easily buy a bottle of water, or instead getting more interested to have something that is a value, is also a city pass, and also is something that you could bring. Davis is just a prototype. We have already a bottle that is not the evolution of the bottle, and we are in some shops. This bottle without the armband has the QR code with the app, with the map of all the fountains.
And sorry, what more? We are just following what is the European Community indication, because there is already a law, or maybe not a law. Is just is a directive from the European government to reduce the use of monoplastic packaging. So it's for example, in France they already made Euro Disney plastic-free from the 1st of January of this year. So it's an indication that the European community is giving to all the countries to go in this direction.
So again, sorry, I'm a little puzzled.
Anyway, there is the market if you see a bottle of water in the streets or in the canal.
What is giving guarantee? So can I just take this away? No, the bracelet away. I can wear it, and right. Okay. So are you going to produce the bottle and the bracelet, or just the bracelet?
You both. Is only one solution where you can have the armband.
What is the binding? I mean, how is it guaranteed that I have to use the bottle and the bracelet and not just the bracelet? And because if I use the bracelet, it's a free ride, right? I just pretend to be saving plastic. And
of course, you should use the bracelet to get access, because it's useful instead of getting out your telephone or a card. And the bottle is just that you avoid buying plastic bottles, and you use public water, which is something we don't give the right value, basically.
Yeah, I think,
Don't worry, it will be made with not plastic, as you say, but it can be circular plastic, can be made with a plastic that is not virgin or new one.
Hey, thank you, Bottlemap.
So, hello everyone, we are BC Italia, BC Solar Street. I'm Elena, Caterina, and Paolo, and we are here to present you a startup in green energy and green mobility field. So, we want to start with our first prototype in San Salvolo. Okay. Okay, so this is our first prototype in San Salvolo, which is part of the first project financing and first equity crowdfunding for the energy transition of the San Salvolo island here in Venice. So everything is energy, Albert Einstein said. But what is our most abundant energy source? Of course, the sun. The sun is a clear, reliable, and limitless energy source energy. We have some problem with the video. Okay. So solar energy can be produced through the photovoltaic technology that produce clean energy ready to be put on the grid. The photovoltaic technology is a device made by many photovoltaic cells, which are the heart of the system because they transform solar energy into electricity. Today we have many ways to produce solar energy through big photovoltaic system, on the rooftop locally, and also on urban infrastructures. These create a new way to produce energy thanks to a new photovoltaic system integrated in sidewalks. This creates a solution that maximizes unused spaces and generates local energy, have a lower construction and maintenance cost, and upgrade and redesign urban areas. For this, BIS Italia enables people to move on sunshine energy. So we took the photovoltaic technology, we integrated in the cycle and pedestrian pathways to create this new photovoltaic system integrated in the sidewalks. So my colleague Paolo have our first panel, the technology, so you can see our first panel of BIS Italia. How the technology works. So BIS is connected to the electrical networks through counters, and the panel is anti-reflective and anti-slip. It's secure to move on, have a standard color or can be customized, and also have energy control and monitoring system. For this unique featuring, BIS have an international patent application. But what can we do with 1 kilometer of BIS? So you can see the energy production in a year, and based on the average consumption of a family, BIS can provide 160 families per year. The benefits and the cost is depend on the sales model. If you are a customer and you choose to have only the technology, you will have 7 years of payback period. And if you choose to have the full package, which is including the technology, the engineering, the installing services, and the maintenance, you will have 9.5 years of payback period. In both cases, you will have 20 years of product life cycle. So BIS is a scalable technology that fits in every environment with a low cost of maintenance, have a direct connection to the grid and to the local energy consumers, and have an efficient production of energy from renewables. As you can see, this is our first prototype. It's secure to move on and integrates beautifully with the historical culture of the island. But when we think about our customer and consumers, we will think about municipalities, big cities, also universities and campus, and commercial and industries. To give you an example of our market fit, we report you some Eurovelo data. Eurovelo is an European cycle route network that have the goal to create 9,000 kilometers in all Europe. Right now we have this amount of cycle routes already active in Europe and this amount already active in Italy. This is our story. In the last year we have fundraising and also technology development, and in 2023 we have our first installation of the BIS. This is our next step. So in 2024, we want to have 10 kilometers per year installation in Italy. And in 2025, we're looking forward to already have the patent acquisition and have 20 kilometers per year installed. And then in 2027, we want the market expansion in Europe and looking forward to install 30 kilometers per year and kilometers growing in the future years. So this is our team, and we present you BIS in Italy, but we are already looking forward in the European and non-European markets. So we try to figure it out with artificial intelligence how a BIS can be developed in other big cities through the world. And as you can see, this is the BIS in many cities in the world, and why not maybe also on other planets. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, one question, right? Two very short ones.
You know, I'm not short. So you said 7 years to pay back, and what is the lifetime of, how fast does it decline in its effectiveness, efficiency?
So it's 20 years of product life cycle. The technology, this is the...
And how about, weather, storms, ice storms, and so on and so forth?
So, Paolo, you...
That comes from
our engineer.
my colleague here.
And the panels are like normal photovoltaic panels made with two pieces of glass. So this can be. This can be
protected.
Easy to clean.
Yeah, easy to clean. So it's very easy to clean, like a normal
clean,
photo.
but I mean, they can be ruined,
Yes.
right? I mean, destroyed. I mean,
No,
damaged.
it's a piece of glass, so it's the best material in the world, the glass. So it's very hard and
Okay, so
clean.
the other question is the patent is pending, huh?
Yes.
You apply.
Yes.
Okay. Right. I would suggest you to apply, to talk to the city council and apply it on the Calatrava bridge to make it useful.
So we made it to San Servolo, so...
Okay. Thank you very much. Congratulations.